I have three different panels open. I have a personal calendar here with the MLB data on it. It has 2,500 games. I'm moving through those. In particular, the demo today is for July 9th. And what I'm going to do is update some data here in the personal calendar. This personal calendar having all the MLB data, I can drill into particular games on a game day. And then I'm going to show you how the data is manipulated here on the upcoming events page, which includes the embeddable calendar invites. And then what happens downstream when someone like Zack gets a calendar invite off this page, he's going to receive the update down here since he's a subscriber of the upcoming event for the particular game. So as I slice through the data, it'll become more clear how this all works. And let's just kind of get into, let's see, the last game. The last two games. So it's the Padres and the Athletics. You'll see here, there's the Padres and the Athletics. I'm going to basically send out a calendar invite just by clicking this button here and taking on the persona Zack. So the scenario is this page has been shared with Zack. Zack has put his email address in there. He's clicked just two buttons. He's received two calendar invites. There's the first one there. And what I'm going to do over here, the Padres, is you'll see that in the Padres offer, there was just basically the stock offer. And let me just go here, which is, hey, here's the game data. Are you coming or not? Zach's going to say yes. I'm going to go to the San Diego game. So let's pretend here under show and tell. We'll go to the Padre game. I'm going to manipulate this data now. And what I'm going to do is say, please come by the booth 782 and get a free beer on us. And so when I save this, you're going to see the update happen in the pipeline here for this San Diego Padres versus the Diamondbacks. And so that pipeline will extend here to the middle screen because that is hooked to the Calendar Invite server via this app I'm working with. And so I go down here to the 9th. We just update it and you'll see, please come by booth 872. And guess what? Over here, this event has been updated here. Please come by booth 872. Zach's going to say yes. Hell yes, I'm going to get a free beer. So that's how this pipeline is actually working. This pipeline, which I just showed you live, updated some data here in the personal calendar. It flowed to the UID status of the AWS Calendar Invite Server. The Calendar Invite Server was talking to the APIs, and the APIs noticed an update, and we pushed the update data to the upcoming events page, and then downstreamed anyone who has received the calendar invite. Now, to prove all that, I can go to the dashboard of the Calendar Invite Server. Let me bring up my personal calendar over here, which is again communicating to the Calendar Invite Server. And when I do this particular demo part of the demo here, I got to get back to the view events. I go to the 9th. I'm drilling into the buckets here. And we just did the Padres. Let me view the data here. And as I scroll down here, you'll see that we updated this event one time as an example by the demo I just did. Thanks for stopping by.